As the price of Shiba Inu keeps falling, many investors are apprehensive, and the crypto world is starting to feel the pinch. However, among all mayhem, is there any sort of hope? The Shiba Inu, what's the big deal? How scared are you? Should you keep huddling? We'll have to see. The important notice: you should not regard this video as financial advice. It is purely for informational purposes. There has been a disturbing trend in Shiba Inu recently. The price has been falling precipitously, reaching a new low, and it's hard to tell when things will start to look up again. A 65% drop from its early peak this year has Shiba Inu in a precarious financial position. This once popular coin is still in a bad place, even though there was a temporary uptick in big transactions. The persistent problems that Shiba Inus face are brought to light via technical examination. A strong declining trend is visible when one examines the charts. But more worrisome is the fact that all three exponential moving averages, the 50 to 100 and 200 day, are going downward, suggesting persistent negative momentum. Because of the persistent decline in demand, most of the gains Shiba Inu enjoyed during its heyday have disappeared. The present state of affairs makes it difficult to have high hopes for the near future of Shiba Inus. Given the steep decline in value and the ongoing negative trend shown by the moving averages, it's no wonder that many investors are wary. This dearth of interest could cause prices to fall even further unless action is taken. On the other hand, opinions might change at any time. A reversal may occur if the wider crypto market begins to recover and more investors start to recognize the value of Shiba Inu. Rekindled interest could also be sparked by strategic actions made by the developers or by good news within the Shiba Inu community. It must be said, nevertheless, that the present tendency does cause some worry. Anyone thinking about getting into or owning a Shiba Inu should proceed with caution because there are no apparent signs of a rebound. Looking at the on-chain data more closely helps us comprehend the situation. It shows that 29 transactions using Shiba Inu had occurred in the preceding 24 hours, totaling slightly more than 1 trillion shib. Taking the bigger picture into account is crucial, even though this figure looks great at first. There was a spike of 55 major transactions on July 25th, but just a few days later, the number decreased dramatically to 15. There have been significant fluctuations in the high numbers of Shiba Inu transactions as well. The volume of transactions spiked a few days ago, hitting nearly 2 trillion shib. The market sentiment, however, is still cautious even after this short upswing. The continuing negative tendencies have been unaffected by the prior upward advance. When we step back and look at the bigger picture, we can see that life isn't easy for Shiba Inu owners. Among Shiba Inu owners, barely 48% are making money, 47% are losing money, and 5% are breaking even. Many investors have recently been having difficulties, and this dividend highlights that. A few of wealthy individuals dominate a significant section of the Shiba Inu population. Actually, these influential people control 73% of the Shiba Inu population. Some of the recent market volatility may be explained by this concentration, which can have a big impact on the market. This volatility demonstrates that although Shiba Inu has seen some activity, it is not yet constant enough to indicate a market rebound. To put it simply, there is a lack of momentum overall, even though transactions are taking place. It seems unlikely that Shiba Inus will begin to recover anytime soon in the absence of consistent and growing exercise. A ray of hope from the development team persists despite the discouraging news concerning Shiba Inu. X may provide some solace to many holders, according to Lucy's recent comments, who is a key member of the Shiba Inu squad. She conceded that the market has been exceptionally volatile as of late and pointed out that not even the most bullish advocates could have predicted how unpredictable politics and international crises would affect the value of cryptocurrencies. Lucy brought attention to the fact that, for individuals who value the continuous improvement of the Shiba Inu ecology, substantial work is still being done in the background. Keep this in mind because it's quite important, particularly for investors who are discouraged by the present market movements. She has empathy for the holders' need for faster outcomes, both in the Shiba Inu community and beyond. She wants people to stop focusing on daily price charts and enjoy life more. Focusing on Shiba Inu's long-term development and prospective growth is more important than getting caught up in short-term swings, she says. This frame of thinking is critical since price swings in the Bitcoin market may be quite dramatic and unexpected. Particularly noteworthy is Lucy's counsel to holders with a longer time horizon. She tells them to be resilient and keep their faith in the initiative intact despite temporary setbacks. This kind of support is crucial in building a strong community that stays committed to the Shiba Inu mission no matter what challenges come their way. By presenting her ideas as personal insights instead of financial advice, Lucy highlights the fact that she is giving her knowledge and experiences-based perspective. With this method, people won't feel rushed to respond to shifts in the market, so they may have meaningful conversations about the future of Shiba Inu. Also, the month of August is very important because it is the anniversary of the founding of the Shiba Inu, and the month has only just started. The energy of this month is one of celebration and fresh beginning, so everything is possible. Unexpected events, good news, or even changes in market mood could cause Shiba Inu to make a comeback in the community. At this crossroads, Lucy's comments ring all the more true because they show us that no matter how difficult things get, there is always room for improvement. Looking forward to what August has in store, it's a good time to take stock of where we've come from. Think back to the last bull market. There was a period when the Bitcoin community was incredibly optimistic and excited, which caused prices to skyrocket and opened up tremendous opportunities for many. As we turn our attention to the future, many are hoping for a continuation of the current bull market. Many people think that cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, are about to experience another surge in value. Everyone is getting excited about the impending wave, which they hope will bring new life and vigor to the town and the market. From what we can see in the first 10 months of 2021, the price of Shiba Inu could reach unprecedented heights if the trend continues. At the time, Shiba Inu was among the best-performing digital currencies. Our excitement is heightened by the fact that, as reported by Arabian Business, the price of Shiba Inu increased by a mind-boggling 27 million% in the first 10 months of 2021. Yes, that's correct, minus 27 million%. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, was instrumental in reaching this remarkable milestone in 2021. The token's pseudonymous creator, Ryoshi, gave Buterin half of the total supply of Shiba Inu. Buterin gave out the remaining tokens to charity after burning most of the gifts. The listing of Shiba Inu was supported by major crypto exchanges thanks to this daring step, which boosted investor trust. The outcome was a dramatic increase in the value of Shiba Inu, which propelled it into the top 10 of all cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The Crypt Basic has now investigated the potential outcomes of a repeat performance by Shiba Inu of that extraordinary rally. Currently, the Shiba Inu is selling for less than 80% of its peak. A 27 million% increase from where it is now may send the price of a Shiba Inu token soaring to an incredible $466. An investor with 1 million Shiba Inu coins, now valued little more than $4.5 million, would witness their investment soar to over $4.5 million at this price. At this price, though, Shiba Inu's market valuation would soar above $2 quadrillion, that is, if the current supply of tokens stays at approximately 590 trillion. Because of the huge gap between the expected market value and the total world financial resources, a repeat performance of the 2021 surge by Shiba Inu is highly unlikely. While the enthusiasm for Shiba Inu is understandable, it is imperative that we remain level-headed and cognizant of the obstacles that await us, as pointed out by Arabian Business. Have you thought about that? Leave a comment with your thoughts. I'm interested to hear from you. Click on one of the videos on the screen if you're interested in finding out more. After that, the video comes to a close. Please hit the like button and drop a comment down below if you found the video entertaining. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge help. Further, we ask that you forward this video to as many people as you can. We need to spread the word about this.